In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a data entry form on Excel. And I'll show you some of the things that you can do with it as well. It won't take long. It's quite a simple process and it's quite a cool result. Okay, so here we are. We have a really simple table of information. We've got a list of employees, the department that they work in, their salary, and the number of years that they've worked at this particular company for. And what I want to do is create a data entry form so that I can type it into the data entry form and it will be added to the bottom of this list and each on a new row. And before I get into it, make sure you hit subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Okay, so the first step we're going to do is we're going to go up into here, the quick access toolbar, and there's a little arrow here, a little down arrow. You're going to click that and you're going to go down to more commands here. That is going to open up Excel options and open on the quick access toolbar. Up here, choose commands from. You're going to select commands not in the ribbon. And then you're going to scroll down until you find form, just up here. So click form, click add. It should come up on the right hand side and click OK. Now you'll see up the top here, you've now got a new button and that says form. Okay, so that's step one. Step two, what we need to do is we need to format this as a table. You can do that by going into home and clicking format as table and selecting one. A shortcut you can also do is select the data and hit Control T, which will create a table. Okay, so we've now got a table, we've got the form button up the top. What do we do next? We can click anywhere within this box, within this table, and select form. And I'll just show you, if I click anywhere outside and then try to click form, it's not going to work. So you need to click somewhere within the table and then click form. And that will open a new data entry form. Okay, so cool. Now what do we do with it? So currently this shows us one of 7 records. You can see there's 7 entries in here, excluding the headings, of course, but there's 7 entries in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click new, and let's just say a new guy named Mitch has joined and he's working in technology. He's earning $145,000 a year and he's been there for 2 years. I can click enter and his name will then appear at the bottom of that table. I can add another one, say Trent. He works in human resources. He's earning $120,000 a year after being there for 3 years. Again, click enter, and his name's now at the bottom. You can see this is ticking up. That now says 9 of 9. There's 9 records in here. So what else can I do with this data entry form? All right, so if I click find previous, let's say Troy up here no longer works at the business. So I can just scroll through here and find Troy, and I can press delete. And notice that his name is now gone from this table. I can also have a look at criteria through here. So let's say I want to find all of the employees who work in the technology department. So what I can do, I can click criteria. I can go to department and type in technology, and that will show me a list of the people that work in the technology department. I can just keep on going through, find next, find next. There you go, back through to Alex at the top there as well in technology. Another criteria that I could choose to try and check out, let's say I want to find any employees that are earning, say, over $146,000. All right, let's go in here and we'll type in 146,000, enter, and it's going to show, I believe the only entry in there is 150,000. But I'll try and click next. As you can see, there is only one person in here, Alex, who is earning over 150,000. If I change this to criteria of over 140,000, say, then it's going to come up with anyone owning over 140,000. One more thing you can do here, you'll notice here that on the right-hand side, I've got a list of departments. Hypothetically speaking, we're just saying that there's 4 departments in this entire business. And we want to make sure that when we enter new entries within this form, that they only adhere to these departments here. So the correct spelling and making sure that there's no mistakes in that. So what we can do is we can also go in and create a data validation. So by that, I mean, we go into data, we select data validation over here, and under validation criteria, we want to allow a list. And the source of that list, of course, is just over here. So we can just highlight that information or those cells, click OK. And now you'll notice that each of these cells has a list. So it will only actually accept any of these values here. And that carries forward onto the form as well. So as you can see, if I just click form, and then I want to select new, I'm going to say there's a new employee there named Ryan, and he works in design, and I'm going to deliberately misspell that. He earns $110,000 a year, and he's worked there for 4 years. If I try and click enter, it's not going to work. And that's just a safeguard with this form. And I like having that as well, because if you're looking for statistics or anything that relate to, say, technology, and you accidentally misspell technology, or you accidentally include a space, an additional space like that, then any statistics or measures that you're trying to calculate will be influenced by that mistake. So yeah, that's just another one of those factors that you can also include. I hope this video has been helpful, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this.